Today, I'm going to teach you how to create visuals in Power BI Desktop. Visuals are essential for transforming your raw data into clear, meaningful charts and graphs that help you understand trends, patterns, and insights at a glance. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your Power BI Desktop application. Once it's loaded, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. On the right side of your screen, you'll notice a panel labeled Visualizations. This is your main workspace for creating and customizing all the visuals that will represent your data. It's where all the magic happens when it comes to turning numbers into visual stories. To create your first visual, look within the Visualizations panel and click on any visual type that interests you. For this example, let's start with a line chart. Simply click on the line chart icon and you'll see a placeholder appear on your canvas. This placeholder is your visuals foundation and it's ready to be populated with data. Once you've selected the line chart, you'll notice that the visual comes with specific fields like x-axis, y-axis, and possibly others depending on the chart type. These fields determine what data gets displayed and how it's organized. Think of the x-axis as your categories and the y-axis as your values or measurements. Now let's input some data into this visual. On the right side of your screen, you should see another panel labeled Data. This is where all your data sources and fields are stored. Click on your data source to expand it and view the available fields. For this example, drag the field called Country and drop it into the x-axis slot. Then take the field called Sales and drag it into the y-axis slot. As soon as you do this, your line chart will populate with data showing sales trends across different countries. You now have a fully functioning line chart that visualizes your data in a meaningful way. Next, let's try creating another visual to see how versatile Power BI can be. Click on a pie chart icon within the Visualizations panel. Just like before, a placeholder will appear on your canvas, ready to be customized. Pie charts are great for showing proportions and how different segments contribute to a whole. For this pie chart, you'll notice fields like legend and values. The legend determines how your pie is divided into slices, while values determines the size of each slice. From your data panel, drag the field called discount band and drop it into the legend slot. This will create different slices based on discount categories. Then drag the field called profit and drop it into the values slot. This will size each slice according to the profit generated within each discount band. Your pie chart is now complete and provides a clear visual breakdown of profit distribution across discount bands. And that's it. You've successfully created two different visuals in Power BI Desktop, each offering unique insights into your data. By experimenting with different chart types and data combinations, you can build comprehensive reports and dashboards that make your data easy to understand and act upon. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.